Parduc M25, changing the sharpening wheel. Shut down the machine from the power switch and disconnect the power plug from the power source. Lift the profiling arc to the up position and remove the top cover. Open the shaft nut using a 17mm wrench and remove the grinding disc. Check the new grinding wheel condition by gently hitting the wheel with the wrench. Replace the grinding wheel with the new one. Check that the new wheel spins freely. Assemble the machine cover and adjust the diamond distance with the new wheel. Perform the grinding wheel profiling. Tighten the cover bolts.